Hey everybody, so I got a new toy, or I should say tool, that I'm going to show you today. This is the Thor hammer toolbox. It actually has a bunch of tools inside. It's really cute. Let me open it up and give you a look at it. So when we open it up, the handle is actually a hammer. So I thought that was really cute. And then we have a bunch of little tools inside as well. So inside we do have some small sockets. We do have a wrench. We do have some pliers. We got a tape measure. We have a screwdriver, which also has several bits in it. Then we have some more sockets over here, and a few more larger bits. Then we have a leveling, and then we have a cute little box cutter. And I thought the box cutter was really cute. It's really tiny. And it does come with an extra set of these mini blades. And then a close-up of the hammer handle. Anyway, this is the little Thor hammer toolbox. I think it's really cute, really cool. And if you are looking for something to either go on your shelf as just for fun, or you actually want to use it for tools as well, definitely check it out. It's pretty cool. I think it'd work great as a gift, or maybe you're a Marvel fan and would just love to have this up on your shelf. Anyway, thank you for watching. Hopefully this gives you a good idea what to expect with the Thor hammer toolbox, and see you in the next one.